Welcome to a sim code. Hey you. Yeah, you, the one with the brilliant mind. Want to level up your coding skills and unlock new tech secrets? Well, hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting coding adventure. Let's build, debug, and create some tech magic together. Trust me, you don't want to miss a thing. This Python script creates a simple graphical user interface, GUI, that displays a random cat image using the Cataas API. It starts by importing necessary libraries, requests to fetch the image from the internet, PIL, Python Imaging Library, to process the image, IO to handle raw image data, and Tkinter to build the GUI. The script sends a GET request, retrieves the image as bytes, and converts it into a format that Tkinter can display. A Tkinter window is then created, with the cat image shown in a label widget, and finally, the GUI event loop is started to display the window. First, we need to import the requests library to make a web request to the Cat API. Next, let's import some image tools from PIL to handle and display the image. We'll use IO to handle the image data from the web, turn bytes into an image. And of course, Tkinter is our GUI toolkit to create the window and show the image. Let's create the main window for our GUI app. Give the window a nice title. Now we set the URL for the Cataas API, which gives us a random cat image. Time to send a GET request to the Cat API and fetch the image. Grab the raw content of the response. This will be our image in bytes. Convert the image bytes into an actual image object using PIL. Convert the PIL image into something Tkinter can display. Create a label widget to hold our image. Add the label to the window with some padding so it looks neat. Finally, start the Tkinter event loop so the window appears and runs. Now run our code. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and hit subscribe.